My dear friends, journey is much more about just movement from one places to another. Journeys are about recreation and learning, and they have the potential to provide the ins and out of other culture and tradition, as well as make our knowledge provider.
First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my respected teacher for his constant guidance and gave me the wonderful opportunity to speak about my favorite journey in front of you.
Arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. It is said by the great scholar Swami Vivekananda. The meaning of the quote is:
reading makes a man full, writing makes a man exact man, and conferencing makes a man ready. It means पढ़ने से आपका ज्ञान बढ़ता है, आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ती है, बट बाय राइटिंग, लेकिन जब आप लिखते हैं तो लिखने से आपके ज्ञान में एग्जैक्टनेस आती है. इट मीन जो गलतियां हैं वो गलतियां लिखने के थ्रू दूर हो जाती हैं. एंड देन, और तब आप लास्टली व्हेन यू डू कॉन्फ्रेंस, यू डू डिस्कस, यू डू कम्युनिकेशन, जब आप कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं, कॉन्फ्रेंस में वार्तालाप करते हैं, एक दूसरे से चर्चा करते हैं, इट मीन्स कि आप बोलते हैं, तो आप कैसे हो जाते हैं? अ रेडी मैन. अ रेडी मैन मीन्स अ मैन हु इज़ रेडी फॉर फेसिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन हिज लाइफ एंड शेयर द नॉलेज विद अदर्स. यानी कि आपकी जो कंप्लीट नॉलेज है, आप अपने आप में परफेक्ट और कंप्लीट तभी बनेंगे जब आप तीनों टास्क पूरे करते हैं. और तीनों टास्क में आपका सबसे पहला टास्क होता है, वो टास्क होता है कि आप पहले आप पढ़ते हैं, नंबर 2 पे आप उस पढ़े हुए को आप लिखते हैं. तो पढ़ाई में जो आपने हासिल किया है उसमें एग्जैक्टनेस यानी कि क्लैरिटी यानी कि एकदम सही का जो काम होता है वो आपका लिखने पर होता है. और थर्डली यानी कि लास्टली आप जो हैं, जब आपने जो हासिल किया है, जो आपने नॉलेज गेन की है, उस नॉलेज के बेस पर आप कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं, वार्तालाप करते हैं, अपनी नॉलेज को शेयर करते हैं, पोडियम पे आकर आप अपनी बात को रखते हैं. देन यू बिकम अ रेडी मैन. रेडी मैन इट मीन्स हु इज़ फुल ऑफ नॉलेज, हु इज़ फुल ऑफ एग्जैक्टनेस एंड हु इज़ कम्प्लीटली रेडी. इट मीन्स परफेक्ट ऑल अराउंड, जो चारों तरफ से परफेक्ट बन जाता है. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. Guys, today the day of the debate, and today's the debate topic is my favorite journey. On this topic, all of the students are going to participate, and here I have a name of those students who want to participate in this topic today, in this debate today. So I would like to call one by one to all of those students who want to participate, and you guys please get ready, because now I am going to call one by one. So first of all, today on this auspicious occasion for this beautiful topic, my favorite journey, I would like to call the first and the most popular and most energetic personality, Mr. Abdul Sadeem Siddiqui. Please come on the podium and give your views over the topic and share your experience of your favorite journey.
I really appreciate the people who correct me, because without them I might have been repeating the mistakes long time. Assalamu alaikum and wish you a very good afternoon all of you. I am Abdul Sadeem Siddiqui in front of you, and today I am here to tell you my favorite journey. But first of all, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir who called me on the podium to perform here. Dear friends, it was December 2018 when I came to know about the exam of Navy. I firstly told my friend named Mr. Shanwaz. I and he decided to go in Navy, and we applied in Navy. After applying, we began to search a teacher who could teach us the syllabus of Navy, but we could not find anyone who could teach us the whole syllabus. It may be our bad luck, so we decided to do self-study. And starting we studied a lot, many more things. But lastly, as the time passed, we became hopeless because we are not getting proper guidance and support. We were taking support from YouTube, but our whole doubts were not clear. So in this way, the time passed, and we went to Kanpur to attend my exam. I and my friend Mr. Shanawaz went to Kanpur by the train. The train reached at Kanpur Anvagan railway station. From where we took a auto and reached the destination of Shanawaz. After that, I left for my exam center, which was 8 kilometers far from there. When I reached there, it was 12 o'clock, but my exam time was 5 p.m. So I had to wait there till 5 hours, and I rested there in a shop and have my lunch there. When the time came, I went to the center and I saw a man standing on the gate of the center, and he was having a machine in his hand, and he was telling the instructions to the students, and he also told the rules and regulations. When I heard the rules, I was shocked because it was my first time when I heard such rules. And the rule was no one was allowed to carry purse with him, to carry watch, as well as the wallet. So it was surprising for me. At that time, I thought that I might have been going to meet the President of India with this high security. So lastly, I reached in the exam center where I took my exam. And during the exam, I committed a mistake. Actually, it was not a mistake for me, but for them it was a blunder. When I was coming back after taking the exam, one of the teachers saw a paper in my hand and he inquired about that. Then I told him it's my admit card. But hearing this, he was shocked because all the admit cards of the students were collected already, but my admit card was still with me. And he suddenly told the manager of the institute, and he began to scold everyone as well as me to be such careless, because all the admit cards were in a box and the box were sealed. But because of me, they had to unseal the box and put my admit card and seal it again. Then they let me go out of the center, and I came back out of center, and my whole belongings, as my bag was sitting in a shop, and he was taking 10 rupees to care of per bag. I took my bag and I called my friend who was waiting for me, and he told me to come on the railway station. So it was my favorite journey, because in this journey I learned many more things, such as the rules and regulations which I never seen. I saw them only in movies. So with these words, I would like to finish my concept here. That's it. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
Excellent speech, and I appreciate for this. And now, after this performance, I would like to call the next performer and mentor, Mr. Shanawaz. Please come on the podium, and you guys put your hands together.
As you will think, you will become. If you consider yourself weak, you will become weak. If you consider yourself strong, then you will become strong. So it is depend on our mentality that what we will be in our future. So as we know that today's topic is favorite journey, so I am going to start my favorite journey. And before starting, I would like to give my special thanks to our dear sir who provide me this wonderful opportunity to speak, you wonderful people. So something about 5 and 4 years ago, I got a chance to enjoy at Delhi. I was very happy because I got first time this opportunity. So I went to Delhi with my family by the train from Kamalganj. And in the running train, many things were available to eat. And when I looked out at the window, I saw in dim light villages and fields as well as towns and passing stations one after another. And so I got much enjoyment in the train also. When I reached at the station of Delhi, my cousin was standing there to receive us. So we went with him in his home, and where we got fresh and had some food and spent the whole day with his family. And another day we visited different kind of places. First we visited to India Gate and Jama Masjid also. In the Jama Masjid we offered our namaz also and captured some awesome pictures with my family. And just after that we visited to a Red Fort. Red Fort is a really very beautiful building I have ever seen. Beside this, I visited to a mall where we did some shopping and had lunch in a canteen. And after that, we visited to a Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is not as beautiful as I have heard before or seen in the pictures, but it was nice building. And lastly we visited to a Qutub Minar. It was the evening time and it was very delightsome moment for me, and I got a lot of enjoyment through the journey and got some experience also. So it was my favorite journey. With this word I would like to finish my concept here. Thank you and have a nice day.
नाइस स्पीच, नाइस कलेक्शन एज वेल एज नाइस थॉट। इन्होंने अपनी स्क्वाट में आपको बताया कि जैसा हम सोचते हैं हमारे साथ वैसा ही होता है। अगर हम नेगेटिव सोचते हैं, इफ़ वी थिंक नेगेटिव देन द नेगेटिव थिंग्स स्टार्ट कमिंग बिफोर यू। इफ़ यू थिंक पॉजिटिव देन पॉजिटिव थिंग्स स्टार्ट कमिंग बिफोर यू। कि जैसा आप सोचेंगे आपके साथ वैसा ही होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। सो हैव अ ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग। सो आफ्टर दिस गुड परफॉर्मेंस आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल द नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर मिस्टर संदीप कुमार। प्लीज़ कम ऑन द पोडियम एंड यू गाइस प्लीज पुट योर हैंड टुगेदर।
A very good afternoon to all presented here.
Very good afternoon.
Before starting my topic, I want to tell you a quote. Arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. It is said by the great scholar Swami Vivekananda. The meaning of the quote is उठो, जागो और जब तक मत रुको जब तक कि आप अपनी मंजिल को नहीं पा लेते। First of all, I want to give my special thanks to my dearest sir, Sayyid Muhammad Abadali sir, who gave me this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of all of you. As today we have the topic, my favorite journey. So I want to tell you about my favorite journey. It was 2016 when I studied in high school. That time I decided that I went to visit the great holy pilgrimage of Sanatan Dharma, Mathura. Mathura is the place where the Lord of Hindu Dharma, Sri Krishna. And I went there with my family by bus. When we reached there, I saw number of people. They came there to see the Lord Krishna. In Mathura, number of the famous temples were situated, like as Rang Mandir, Prem Mandir, Radha Mandir. Firstly, we went in Radha Mandir. The Radha Mandir was situated on the Bhanugar hills, and after this we went the Prem Mandir. The Prem Mandir was very large mandir, was very large temple. After visiting all the temples, we decided that to returning home, and we returned to our home. With these words, I would like to finish my concept here. That's it. Have a fantastic.
I would like to suggest to Mr. Sandeep that have some confidence, because if you lack your confidence, then definitely you will lose your content. So to maintain your content, you need to have the confidence, and for the confidence you need to speak loudly, because if you speak loudly, then automatically the confidence increases. So guys, always have confidence and speak loudly. Even this mic is also required the loud voice, because it is something far. And after this good performance, I would like to call the next performer from the female side. So I'm calling to Shagufta Banu. Please come on the podium, and you guys please put your hand together.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says that if you want to shine like a sun, firstly, burn like a sun. And the second quote is that end is not the end. End means effort never dies. I'm going to tell you about my experience, my favorite journey. But first of all, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir who gave me this golden and wonderful opportunity to speak to wonderful people presented here. My dear friends, journey is much more about just movement from one places to another. Journeys are about recreation and learning, and they have the potential to provide the ins and out of other culture and tradition, as well as make our knowledge provider. It was about some year ago when me and my family decided to go to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. All family members burning desire to visit the Taj Mahal. So our journey started at 5 o'clock in the morning by the car. We were very tickled pink throughout the journey. The spectacular road views and different dimension to our experience. It took around 4 hours to reach our destination. Actually, we could have reached there earlier, but the driver drove slowly. Continuously, the hustle and bustle on the road. All family members were very excited and joyful. This journey was very different for me by the car. And you know very well, Agra is famous, their stunning beauty and happy social life. After arriving there, we saw the beauty of the Taj Mahal. We really mesmerized us. We clicked many pictures to capture those memories. Actually, it looks really wonderful in the light of a full moon when the sky is clear. My dear friends, we enjoyed there a lot. Whatever we have seen there, it was very beautiful and memorable. Still, we can't forget. Last but not least, it was literally an awesome journey for all of us. My dear friends, this was about my favorite journey. With these words, I would like to finish my concept here. That's it. Thanks for listening to me and have a great day.
Excellent speech from the female side, and I appreciate to you, because this time you really gave your good speech. And after this performance, I would like to call from the boy side, and so I call to Mr. Muhammad Suhail. Please come on the podium, and you guys please put your hand together.
And good afternoon all of you. My name is Suhail Siddiqui. I am from Gauspur. I would like to give my special thanks Sir Syed Muhammad Abadili and my mentor who give me a special chance to speak before you. I would like to share my favorite journey. My favorite journey is Kamalganj to Kanpur. And now I went to Kanpur with my father and my cousin brother by train. And I reached at station Rawatpur. And after that I called my cousin brother, and after that I was very hungry, and after that I lunched with my father and my cousin brother. And after that I take an auto for Chapeda Pulia. and after that I get down in front of Asif Garden, Chapela Pulia. I was very happy and because we all see the room of boys hostel, and after that I booked the room boys hostel in Baba hostel at Kakadev, and after that I take the auto 9 number crossing, and after that I get down at 9 number crossing, and after some time and I get down Bada Chauraha in front of Z Square. I reached Z Square and I enjoyed it Z Square and some shoppings. I was very happy, and sometime and something for 2:30 and take an auto for Kanpur Central Station, and after that I take the ticket Kandri Express, and after that I take the train Kandri Express for Kamalganj and get down at Kamalganj, and this is my favorite journey. With these words I would like to finish my concept here. Have a nice day. Thanks for listening. Thank you.
Nice speech, and he tried his best, yet he committed some of the mistakes, like you need to use the tenses here, past indefinite, and in some of sentences you use present definite tense. I hope so in next time you will improve yourself. And now I would like to call the next performer from the female side again, and she is Lakshmi Sharma. Please come on the podium, and you guys please put your hands together.
Good afternoon, everybody, and good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir. I am going to tell about my favorite journey of Jaipur. First time I went to Jaipur to 2015, and I went to Jaipur with my brother and mother, and my 2 sisters and my father already lived in Jaipur, and Jaipur is a very good place. I had lot of fun with my family. One day I went to see the water place, and water place a very nice place, and there were many small fish in this water, and we enjoyed there, and after coming from water place we had dinner, and we all did a lot of shopping, and would like to finish my concept here, and thanks for hearing me.
Lakshmi Sharma, also you tried your best, but you committed some mistakes, and I hope so, and I pray to God that in future for the next performance you will be prepare more. Okay, and my best wishes are with you. So after this suggestion I would like to call the next performer from the girl side. So I would like to call Atifa Siddiqui. Please come on the podium, and you guys please put your hand together.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all of you. Here I am going to tell a quote of Martin Luther King Jr. He says, "If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But by all means, keep moving." So guys, I'm Atifa Siddiqui and I'm from Sheikhpur. I'm pursuing my graduation from Chhatrapati Sahooji Maharaj University of Kanpur. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my respected teacher for his constant guidance and gave me the wonderful opportunity to speak about my favorite journey in front of you. And now I'm gonna share glimpses of my Hyderabad trip. So journey was started when I reached Ramoji Film City, which is acclaimed a tourist destination of Hyderabad city. This place is famous for film or movie shooting and a great recreational place where I saw the live set of Bahubali movie and several others. I enjoyed live shows and carnivals. There were many scenic and attractive parks and fountains. Overall, I enjoyed there a lot. And then the next day, I went to Charminar, a most famous and historical monument. It recognizes as a globally symbol of Hyderabad. That Charminar area was too much crowdy. However, I liked that place because there were amazing vibes coming from all around. That richness of culture and ethnicity was truly extraordinary. And how can I forget the scrumptious and mouth-watering, world-famous Hyderabadi biryani? I still remember its taste. With these words, I would like to finish my concept here. Thanks for hearing me. Have a nice day.
After this excellent performance, I would like to call the next performer from the boys' side again, and he is Aman Ali. Please come on the podium, and you guys, please put your hands together.
Very good afternoon, all of you. Firstly, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir who gave me this golden opportunity to speak before you. Now, I'm gonna share my favorite journey with you. It was the month of July. The school was closed as it was Sunday. One of my friends suggested to visit Kanpur, so we decided to go early in the morning. After this, we packed our essential items and got ready for the visit. After that, we traveled by train and reached Kanpur. After reaching Kanpur, firstly, we took a taxi for the Z Square Mall. When we reached mall, we had our lunch. After lunch, one of my friends purchased 2 or 3 books from a shop. After this, we came out from the mall and then we visited the church, which was near the mall. In church, we saw a number of people who were worshipping. After that, we came back home comfortably by train. We enjoyed our journey very much. It was a nice experience for us. With these words, I would like to wind up my concept here. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.
Nice speech, and he tried his best. And after this good performance, I would like to call the next performer from the female side, Nisavano. Please come on the podium. You guys, please give your consent.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all of you. I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir and mentor who give me golden opportunity to speak before you. And now, my favorite journey. I love to travel by train. I went to my uncle's house at Kanpur, my cousin of the marriage. We went to Kalandi Express with my family. I am very excited. We get into the train. I lucky a seat beside the window. When the train started running, after that some time a vendor come to sell popcorn. I asked my father to a packet for me. The popcorn was really tasty. Suddenly, I saw very beautiful field into the window. My uncle was waiting for us in Kanpur station. We went to my uncle's house. With this, finish my concept here. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
After this performance, I would like to call the next performer from the boys' side, and he is Muhammad Ejaz. Please come on the podium, and you guys, please put your hand together.
Assalamu alaikum. Very good afternoon, sir, and all of you.
Very good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir and mentors who gave me this golden chance to speak before you. And now I am going to tell you my favorite journey. I went to New Delhi with my friends in 2019. We went there by the bus from Farrukhabad and we all reached in the train. After that, me and my friends reached New Delhi. We went to my uncle's room and and we all get fresh and took lunch. And next day, me and my friends visit many places of Delhi like this, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, as well as Connaught Place. And we are returned to the room, and next day, me and my friends went to mall. There already Bollywood celebrities came in the mall. Me and my friends meet Varun Dhawan and Shraddha Kapoor, and me and my friends shopping in the Zara mall. My uncle is manager of Zara in New Delhi, and next day me and my friends visit many places of Delhi, and after that me and my friends return to the home. With this word, I would like to finish my concept here. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
After this good performance, I would like to call the next performer from the boys' side again, Harshit Gupta. Please come on the podium, and you guys please put your hands together.
Good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, I would like to give my special thanks to the provide programmer, Sir Mr. S.M. Awad Ali ji, and also for my dear mentors, all our mentors. My first quote is death with your memories, not death your ड्रीम्स. आप अपनी मतलब जो है क्या कहते हैं यादों के साथ अंत आपका हो वो अच्छा बात है, बट जो आप अपनी जो मतलब आपके जो एम है आप उसको मत ख़त्म करिए. आपको वहाँ तक लक्ष्य तक पहुँचना है, आप अपने लक्ष्य को मत मारिए. आपका मेन फोकस होना चाहिए आपका लक्ष्य. That's it. With these words, I am starting my idea about my favorite journey. Now listen carefully. And since before lockdown, I go for Mathura, Vrindavan. When I reach there, then I know if Vrindavan is locked or lockdown, and I'm not able to go there, went there. And we saw the temple where Shri Krishna, Lord Krishna births, and where I feel good because there is two important things to know about about religion. Because in front we get a temple, and in the back of that we get a mosque. We get the mosque, and after that I go for Rajasthan and go enjoy there. And after all, I go for Jaipur, where Jaipur Pushkar, where established Pushkar Mandir, only one temple in all over world, which is of Lord Brahma's, which is established in Pushkar. After there, I go for Amritsar, Punjab, and I saw there the Golden Temple, and I enjoyed there goodly, and I saw there the punctuality there. Because with these all words, I would like to finish my concept here, and that's it. Have a good day. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.
Mr. Harshit Gupta told us a nice quote, but you committed a lot of the mistakes during your speech. So this is the most important and required to you, that you need to improve your grammar. You are very weak in grammar.
A person is great by deeds, not by birth. I explain in Hindi. व्यक्ति अपने कर्मों से महान बनता है, ना कि जन्म से.
ना थके हैं पाँव कभी, ना ही मंजिल हारी है. ना थके हैं पाँव कभी, ना ही मंजिल हारी है. इस कोरोना जैसी महामारी में आज भी सफ़र जारी है. First of all, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon all of you, my dear friends and my respected teacher, Sir Syed Awad Ali, who gave me a special chance and wonderful opportunity to speak before you. And now I am going to tell you my favorite journey. My name is Muhammad Saib. I would like to share my favorite journey. I went to Gujarat with my uncle